Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel you can find all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. You can also find me over on Instagram at Luxe Petite, where I am styling my brown and beige handbags. Now in today's video, I have a very exciting Lemaire handbag unboxing. I am so excited to share this unboxing with you guys, so let's get right into it. Now, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of background before I unbox this handbag. For those of you that don't know, Christope Lemaire and Sarah-Linh Tran are the creative directors behind the brand Lemaire. This brand was founded in 1990. This brand is known for its Parisian chic style and simplicity. I particularly love the earth tones and these easy silhouettes. Christope has been at Lacoste and Hermes. I love seeing his Hermes runway shows where he really delved into the equestrian vibes during his time there. It wasn't until 2014 when he fully invested himself into the brand Lemaire, but this time he teamed up with his co-designer and life partner, Sarah-Linh Tran. Now I'm gonna admit, I am obsessed with Sarah-Linh Tran's style. We are talking about timeless Parisian chic here, and not much is known about Sarah-Linh Tran, but her style I just find is impeccable. Again, Parisian chic, I think she's the epitome of it, and I am obsessed. Very minimal, and you don't see a lot of the logos there, but I can't get enough of her style. Let me know if you guys are fans of her style as well. Anyways, guys, okay, that is enough on the background, so let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, guys, so here we have the official. This is my croissant bag in the small size in the dark chocolate color, and I think this bag is so fun and perfect. It's that perfect casual chic bag in my collection. I really was looking for more of that everyday kind of more understated bag that I could take downtown or just run errands with. So what I love about this bag, I'll say, I like the crescent shape, the nod to Lemaire and that Parisian French pastry styles with the top stitch panels. It gives a nod to the whole croissant flaky layers that you get. So I thought that was really fun. I think this looks good, the small size, on like a petite frame like myself. I'm 5'2" in height, it's a pretty petite, but also I don't carry a lot of things. And yes, it did fit a water bottle. I actually took this downtown with me last weekend, and I thought this was just the perfect little grab and go understated bag. Like I said, it's great for if you're looking for something understated, very functional. Now, in terms of ways to wear this handbag, you can wear it as a shoulder bag. I really don't wear this as like more of a hold in your hand. My favorite way to wear this is obviously as a cross body. I think it's comfortable. It has a nice strap width here to lay nicely across your chest. I think that looks really chic. And here, I think even if you put it in the back like that, that looks really nice and chic, just really effortless. I like this look. The inside, you'll see we have more of this fabric lining on the inside, and there is this pocket. But for me, I was able to put in just enough with like my essentials, my wallet, sunglasses, my phone, and I thought it was perfect. I think that if you're gonna carry a lot more than that, you'll probably wanna go up to the bigger size. I do like that vibe of it too, so I'm a big fan, but I think for right now, I just wanted something like easy, simple. I thought this was really chic looking, and this is a great casual bag to add to my collection. I did purchase this bag directly from the Lemaire website, and I think I showed you guys the box. Here we go again. It's just really nice, simple, but very quality looking packaging. I thought that was really nice. And it did come from overseas, so it was delivered to me from DHL. And the price was actually pretty reasonable considering it was like a $1,300. I'll put the price online for you guys, but I thought for this quality of a bag, and honestly excited to have something from this brand. It's very understated, and to have something from Christope and, like I said, Sarah-Linh Tran, I'm really excited to have something from those designers in my collection. But anyways, guys, what do you guys think about my croissant bag? Have you considered anything from Lemaire? I'm kind of obsessed with this dark chocolate color. When I saw it on the website, there are a couple different colors, but of course I had to go for the dark chocolate. I thought that was just too good to go. Dark chocolate croissant. That is so good. Okay, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, guys, take care.